Hey guys, welcome back to another G-Shock video on my channel. Today we are going to have a look at another 2020 January release G-Shock, the Maneki Neko series from Japan. Let's cue the music. If you are joining me for the first time, please do support by subscribing to my channel. It really does motivate me to keep producing videos for all of you. So, G-Shock released 3 models under their Maneki Neko series in January 2020. 2 of them are a DW5600 model with different colorways and a GA100 model as well. Maneki Neko means waving cat. That's the direct translations. It's actually a Japanese figurine that is believed to bring good luck charm. It's a pretty common belief in Chinese culture as well. You probably would have seen the Maneki Neko on top of a cashier counter or at the entrance of a shop with the waving hands. The packaging is pretty special for this particular release. The outer paper box has a pastel blue color and looks really attractive. You will get the same packaging for all 3 models in this particular series. The model that I got is the DW5600TMN-7JR. So if you realize, this is a JR model which usually Casio reserves for its special or its limited edition model. So let's see what we get on the inside of this particular box. Right, so this is the tin can and we have some paperwork over here. As usual, we get the basic paperwork, the manual, and apart from that we also get a cutout in the shape of the Maneki Neko, and it says over here the black eye patch. So the black eye patch are a Japanese fashion label and they do quite a lot of collaboration with many other brands as well. This is their collaboration with G-Shock, and it says clearly over here package designed by Black Eye Patch. It's just a good souvenir for you to keep. Okay, that's for the paperwork. This is as beautiful as it gets for a watch packaging. It looks stunning. The Maneki Neko is featured along with other related ornaments on the surface of this particular packaging. You see Mount Fuji over here, and there's some gold coins over here. Says Tokyo, Japan here as well, and the entire overall design is really attractive. It says the black eye patch as well. Okay, let's get inside and check out the watch. The watch itself is a basic 5600 model with the standard features that you would expect. Do note that this watch is completely made in Japan, and that makes it a little bit more special. If you see over here, the price, the recommended retail price is 13,000 yen plus tax. It has got the basic features: water resistant EL backlight, and the module within this particular watch is 3229. Alright, let's put the label aside. The colorway on the watch mimics what you typically find on a Maneki Neko. We have red over here. The body itself is white in color, and then we have green accent and gold wordings as well. The top word here is red in color, the word protection, and the G-Shock word itself is gold in color. There are also pictures of Koban, a gold coin, which the Maneki Neko is often depicted holding all around the face of the watch. The band and the keeper is red in color. There is also a small cutout in the shape of the cat's head on the keeper. The back case is cased in Japan, water resist up to 20 bar, and the module is 3229. Now let's have a look at some close-up video of the entire watch and the packaging as well. This watch also has a special graphic for its backlight, and again the Maneki Neko is featured here as well. All around, the attention to detail by Casio for this basic watch is really saying something. For me, I got this watch because it looks really cool, and well, it brings you good luck charm as well. So let's start the year with some luck. Well, that's pretty much sums up what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys would be getting this as well. As always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you guys again soon. See ya.